Welcome to the library's presentation on PowerPoint. Creating an interesting and attractive presentation can be tricky. There's a danger that you can overwhelm or bore your audience if your slides aren't well designed, interesting and appropriate. Good slides have a clear, readable font, short sentences or bullet points, appropriate images, an interesting background design, and are used as a prompt only. Bad slides have a cluttered screen, too much animation, boring colours and design, include jargon, and are full of too much information. Before you start, it's a good idea to think about what exactly you want to get across in your PowerPoint. Why not think about sketching out an outline so that you know roughly what each slide should focus on? Your presentation needs to be interesting, visually attractive, and should tell a story. Plan your slideshow similarly to how you would an essay. It needs to have an introduction, some body text, and a conclusion. To get started, open up a new PowerPoint presentation. It's a good idea to save it immediately. Click on File, Save As, and give it a suitable name and location. You can now begin to design your presentation. It's useful to choose your design at the beginning as it makes it easier to place your text and any images in the right place as you go along. You can, however, choose to add or change your design at a later stage. You can either choose a preset design or theme, or you can create your own. Click on the Design tab, choose a theme, and click Apply to All. Alternatively, click on the arrow next to Background and choose your own background design or colour. If you don't see anything you fancy using, why not choose from the thousands of free templates available online? The first slide you'll see will be the title slide. You will usually be given two preset text boxes to put your text into, one for title and one for subtitle. However, you can easily delete the subtitle box if you don't need it. You can move your text boxes by dragging them into position. Ideally, you should use your title slide to introduce yourself and your topic. You can add a slide at any time. Simply click on the arrow next to New Slide and choose the style of slide you'd like to add. Alternatively, you can choose Duplicate Selected Slides to directly copy a previous slide, which you can then amend accordingly. It's easy to add text to any slide. Choose Insert, then Text Box, then add your own wording. You can move your text boxes around and position them where you'd like by dragging them into place. Your text can be centered or aligned left or right. You can also tilt your text box to any angle. You can choose any font, color, or size for your text. You can also use bold, italics, or underlining. Why not try different combinations to see what works best for your presentation? You can also add images to any presentation. There are three options you can use here. You can use images from the internet. However, please make sure you use copyright cleared images. Try using a website like Pixabay or Pexels, as they offer copyright cleared images that you can use straight away. You can also use the clip art already installed in PowerPoint, or you can choose to use your own images or photographs. To add your image, go to Insert and choose your option. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Images add interest to any presentation and can be used as a visual aid to help accentuate your text. Pictures will not only add interest to your presentation, but can also be used to help explain a tricky point and emphasize what you're trying to get across to your audience. You can also add video and audio clips to your presentation. Click on Insert, click on the arrow beneath Video or Audio, and attach the video or audio clip from your files. You can choose to animate or add motion to any part of your slide, text or images. Click on the Animations tab. Highlight what you want to animate and choose from Entrance, Emphasis or Exit. You can change the speed or direction of the animation, and you can click on Animation Pane to change the order your animations appear or disappear. You can choose the way your slides change from one slide to another. This is called transitions. Click on the Transitions tab and choose the style you'd like. You can also add a voiceover to your slideshow. To do this, click on the Record tab. Choose From Beginning. You will now see the recording screen. Click on the red button to start recording your voiceover. You will be given a countdown from 3 so you know when to begin talking. It's a good idea to write a script in advance and read it as you record. If you write your script in the Notes page, your script will appear on your screen next to the relevant slides themselves. If you can't see your notes, click on View and choose Presenter View. You can re-record any slides as many times as you like until you're happy with them. Once done, click on Export to export the file as an MP4, which you can then save. Your presentation can then be uploaded to your site of choice. Finally, you can set your presentation up to run as a slideshow. Click on the Slideshow tab. Click on Set Up Slideshow and choose your options. This includes being able to loop your presentation so your slideshow runs over and over. This is perfect if you want to have a slideshow running on a display screen, for example. You can also choose to hide any slides you don't wish to be included in your slideshow. Thank you for listening to the library's presentation on PowerPoint. If you have any questions about PowerPoint, please contact the library for help and advice. Thank you.